They say life is so much sweeter through the telephoto lens of fame. Around here you get just as much attention cheering at the high school football game. I dream of going to Nashville, put my money down and place my bet. But I just got the first book of the season. I made the front page of the Turner Town Gazette. Every last one had one rule: heart's got a story to tell. Every grandma-in-law, ex-girlfriend maybe knows it just a little too well. Whether you're late for church or you're stuck in jail, hey, word is gonna get around. Everybody dies famous in a small town. Tyler and Casey broke up. It ended pretty quietly, but we heard